Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. This refreshing combination of cherries, coconut water, and lime juice is tasty and contains only 115 calories. Try it and it's forever going to be part of your weekly smoothie rotation. If you're not sold on the whole avocado in a smoothie thing, hold up. When combined with bananas and milk, it's a sweet and creamy drink, so good that you'll forget it's full of heart-healthy omega-3s. Mango Berry Coconut Smoothie. This smoothie makes a great post-workout snack. The Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and helps refuel muscles. This smoothie is good any time of the day as an after-school snack or even healthy dessert. Mango and Greek Yogurt Smoothie. As if the sweetness of ripe mangoes isn't already mouth-watering enough, just wait until you try the tropical fruit blended up with yogurt and a dash of cinnamon. You'll be hooked after the first sip. Fruit and Yogurt Smoothie. You don't have to be vegan to enjoy this creamy concoction. Sweeten up your day with the help of some mixed berries, dairy-free yogurt, and a cup of cashew milk. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.